up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a get ready with me. I've done this in the past, so if you guys haven't watched it, make sure you go watch it after this video ends. But I am wearing this cute top. I got it at Fashion Nova and I was pretty inspired by it because it's a black shirt and I wanted something to stand out, so that's why I did this like teal green eyeshadow look, and I did use a Jaclyn palette. So this shirt is pretty and all, but like it's just super annoying having to be fixing it all the time because it moves, it doesn't stay in place. That's the only problem I have, that you know, it doesn't stay in place and I have to be like moving it all the time. And I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna wear it anymore because I was really struggling with this shirt. So I'm probably just gonna post it on my Poshmark. If you guys don't follow me on there, make sure you go follow me on, or if you guys haven't downloaded the app, go download it right now because I will be posting a bunch of new items this week or next weekend. So if you guys want to know what items I'm posting, download the app. I'm gonna hear some of the stuff I'll be having on there. I do have a bunch of stuff, but look, it's like I can't really show it to you guys, so I'm just gonna put like all the clothing pieces on the screen so you guys could see the items better. But I do have like dresses, shirts, crop tops, and other stuff. I also have like a fanny pack. Look, it's super cute. Everything right here is actually new. I never used this, so if you guys want to be one of the first to shop my closet, make sure you sign up and everything with the link that's going to be listed down below. I'm gonna show you guys my profile so you guys could go ahead and follow me on there. It's loading. But this is my profile, and as you guys could see, I haven't posted anything on there yet. But let's go back and let's go to the what's trending. So they have Gucci. Ooh, that was nice. Ooh, these sunglasses are cute. Oh, this bag is really nice. I'm all getting distracted over here and I'm trying to show you guys, but yeah, like I was saying, they have all that. They also have let me go here, Chanel. I always wanted a Chanel bag, but girl, they're super expensive. So I'm just gonna list everything down below like always so you guys could go ahead and find the app easier. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking already because I feel like I've been talking forever, and we're just gonna get started. Okay guys, so I did prime my face already, so now I'm just applying foundation. The foundation I'm using today is the Milani foundation, and it's in the color, in the shade number 3. I'm not sure, but it'll be listed down below just in case I'm wrong. But for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this one is in the color, in the shade number 10, I believe. So I'm just applying this under my eyes, and then I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender, not beauty blender, my beauty sponge. The powder I'll be using today is the Rcma No Color powder, and I'm just applying this under the eyes and pretty much my whole entire face. To bronze my face, I'll be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and the brush I'm using to apply this is a T20 Makeup Shack brush. I'm also going to clean everything up with some translucent powder. So finally, moving on to blush, I'll be using Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar, and for highlight, I'll be using this highlighter by Morphe that's called Extra. And the brush I'll be using to apply this is an R36 by Morphe as well. So finally, moving on to the eyes. So for today's look, I'll be using the Jaclyn palette, and the first color I'll be applying is the yellow eyeshadow. It's like a yellow mustardy eyeshadow, and I'm applying this on the crease with my Morphe M441. So for the next color, I'll be applying this orange eyeshadow on the crease, and I was using the Morphe M433 to apply it, but I did switch it up to a smaller one, and I'm not sure what it's called. So I'll have everything listed down below just in case you guys want to know. I'm also going to be applying some of that burgundy eyeshadow just to darken up the look a little bit more, and I'm just using the same brush I was using to apply the orange eyeshadow. I don't know why my phone has so much powder. Like, look at that, it's so powdery.
So that happened. I have no idea how that powder got there. I probably dropped it or something, I don't remember. But anyways, for the eyelid color, I'm actually not cutting the crease this time, but I'm using this teal eyeshadow, and I'm just pretty much applying it all over my entire eyelid. The lashes I'll be using today are called Miami, and they're by Lily Lashes. So for the lower lash line, I was applying the teal eyeshadow, well, the color I applied on my eyelid on my lower lash line, but I didn't like it, so I did added the burgundy eyeshadow, and I feel like it made the look better. So after I finish applying mascara, I'm going to be applying some lip gloss. But after that is done, I am all finished with this look. I really hope you guys loved it. And if you did, make sure you give me a huge thumbs up before you leave. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Oh, and don't forget to download Poshmark.